Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the CUVLY Pro Wax100 waxing kit. This is a waxing kit to be used for professionals primarily. You will find this device in most parlors. This is something that you use to boil wax and then use it to remove hair from your body. This particular device, the Pro Wax100, warms all types of waxes, include extra aluminum container and see-through cover prevents wax contamination. You can see what it looks like from the box itself, and this is all the information we have. So I will open this and show you what's inside. So this is what you'll find inside the box. We have operating instructions for this particular device, the wax spa, that's what it's called. Okay, no, that's not what it's called. Great. So a lot of instructions here, like warning how to not get, how not to damage it, how to not damage yourself while using it, etc. A lot of information, so please read it once before you start using. Next up, we have a set of spatulas. They're all wooden spatula. This is what you'll use to apply the molten wax on skin. And we have a packet of hard wax beads as well. This is part of this particular combo. Now let's take a look at the Pro Wax100 wax heater. So this is what it looks like. This comes with this heat resistant lid on top. And you have this aluminum bowl in which you will be melting the wax. So you will be putting all the wax beads, these for instance, in here, closing it up and setting it down inside this stainless steel heater. So this is basically the heating plate. So once you put this in over here and you set it on top and then you power it, the wax will start melting. Then it will be ready for use. And speaking of a power source, there is also nearly a meter long flat TPE power cable with a 2-pin socket on a 2-pin jack on one end. There you can see. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the CUVLY Pro Wax100 waxing kit. Thank you for watching.